Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get videos just like this. Now today's video we're going to talk about how to make money online in 2019. I'm going to give you three different things you can do, how you can make money online in 2019, because it's much more easier to make more money in 2019 than 2009, or 2009. So I'm gonna give you three quick things that you can do. That way you can start right away, even with a limited budget. You don't even need much money to start at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the first one, and the first one is one of my favorites. It's Amazon. I really like Amazon because it's one of those places where people are always searching for, and you can start out your own Amazon Associate account for free. So all you have to do is go to Amazon Associates. So I'm going to go ahead and log into the Amazon Associates real quick here. And basically you can get products, and you can actually get products right from Amazon. You can actually do a video or a blog post or any type of information and sell the product and get a commission from it. So I'm already logged into my account, and it's free to sign up. And so I'm going to go to like a product real fast, just real quickly, to kind of show you guys how it works. It's really cool. I mean, Amazon, why not? So, you can actually just type in a product, let's say books, or let me say a microphone. Let's say if I was trying to sell a particular microphone. So I just typed it right in the search, and right here, that's the microphone. That's a very popular microphone, actually, is this Blue Snowball. So basically, you can actually do a video about this particular product, or you can write about it like on your website, a blog post, or you can basically kind of like maybe just, chat about it in some of these social medias, forums, and you can do that as well. So you'll get a commission from that $41.99, and your link will be right here. Should be a link right here. You would take this link and you would send that to your customers, or you can actually do the text and image, and you can take this as well. So Amazon, .com, Amazon Associates is a way of making money online in 2019, right from your laptop, computer, or even your tablet. And yes, no necessary experience is required, actually. So Amazon and eBay is another one. eBay is another site as well. The same, pretty much exact same thing. You start a free account. I know somebody, actually, one of my friends just sold her tablet for $500 right off eBay. She got a new computer and she sold her tablet for $500 less than 24 hours. So if you're selling products from your home, you can actually post it here on eBay. So if you got household products, like if you have a computer that you don't use, or if you have a microphone, if you have cameras, if you have products, you can actually post it on eBay and sell it, or you can take an eBay item and also sell it as well. So it's really free to sign up, and it's another way of making money online, because we always want to make money online. You start a free account and you just go ahead and find a product to sell on eBay. So that's another reason. Another thing you can also do, I'm gonna give you number 3, is affiliate marketing products. You actually go to affiliate marketing, like a high ticket affiliate marketing, company, and you actually can go ahead and start marketing and selling their services. Now, right below this video right here, I do have an opportunity for that particular affiliate marketing opportunity. You can get started with a 7-day free trial, and it's basically one of the most powerful companies there is on the line. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you really quickly, fast here. It's called the Power Lead System. Now, the Power Lead System has been around for a long time, and they've helped so many six-figure earners in terms of coaching them, mentorship, all done for you packages. And you can see right here, I've already got $109 already that I've already made so far that I haven't really even picked up yet. So Power Lead System, I'll have information right below this. And basically, so when you get to here, you will go ahead and sign up, and the first thing you want to do is hit the easy button. So when you go ahead and sign up for this, you'll go ahead and hit the easy button, and you'll follow these 3 easy, simple steps. You go to the Facebook group, so you go ahead and sign up for the Facebook group, and then you'll go right here for the links, which links you want to go ahead and promote. It basically walks you through it, and advertising your links right here. So that's a link right here that I'm advertising, and then right here you'll be using that link. If you're representing the Power Lead System, you'll go ahead and use that link as well. And so the first thing also you want to do you want to watch the video to go ahead and get started. Power Lead System is a way of making residual income on a weekly basis, pretty much by following the training and the steps along the way in Power Lead System. So those are 3 things you can do, guys, in terms of making money online, right away, weekly income, daily or even monthly income, Amazon, eBay, and affiliate marketing program, high ticket affiliate, Power Lead System. I have it right here. So click on the link below to go and get started on this powerful leader, and you can be part of my team. Be part of my team. I'll hold you accountable. We'll work together and go ahead and start making that residual income. That's all I got. I'm talking to you right now. I can't wait to see you the next time. I see you in the next video as we'll go ahead and break down more information about making money online. Have a good day.